Okay, we finished the first, or almost finished the first safari shirt. We still need to do the buttonholes and the buttons. And in the last video, we ironed the entire roll so that we can start bulk cutting today. All the different sizes and finish up all the samples that we are making, all the sizes that I'm planning to sell next summer for the navy blue, and then after that we'll do the other colors. But today we first going to cut all the sizes for the navy, and then I'll go and buy the other colors, and then we can start working on them as well. It will go much faster than this shirt, because this was just a sample to show how I'm making it. But yeah, so today we're just going to do cutting and maybe some other prepping that we need to do, the ironing of the different panels, and then uh, we'll finish the work. So we already cut the medium on that shirt. So we're going to start with a large next. For these clients that I'm going to sell these shirts to, I'm not going to do all of the sizes, because it's mostly men and elderly people. So I'm just doing every second size up to size 4XL. Now, when you get older, you do tend to gain some weight. So it's not necessary to do each of all the smaller sizes. So I'll just do like large, 2XL, and then 4XL. The difference is about probably 4 centimeters of between the different sizes. So it's like 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters. So it's about 4 centimeters on each side. So and then if I do have a client that wants a specific size, let's say 3XL, then I will make him a 3XL. But these safari shirts, they are made from Rami linen. So, and it's supposed to be a light, shirt for the summer, and it shouldn't fit too tightly. Yeah. The other thing that I wanted to mention, it's interesting to see it, is if you look at the traditional linen shirt, or traditional safari shirt, it's so interesting because you can see this is real old school. Whereas if you look at sorry, I had these washed. These were samples for the photo shoot, so I had them washed. And it's so interesting to look at the different materials, how the material actually changes the look and feel. This looks much more modern, the Rami linen, than the old school polyester type material. So the material has a huge effect on the pattern and the look and feel of the pattern. That these are the ones that we used in the photo shoot, and just to get the thing going at the end of the day. So yeah, so let's continue and cut all the other sizes quickly, and then I can start sewing those shirts. So these I just had washed and ironed. that with all the shirts. Before they go out.